Have you ever used ChatGPT or any other AI assistants for an upcoming project or an assignment at school? If so, then you have been affected by AI and its influence on education. I've delved into AI and studied how it has affected education. And today, I will be teaching you about those effects as well as the pros and the cons of AI in education. First up, we need to talk about how AI is used in education. It's used in two main ways. One being supporting teachers. The way it's used to support teachers, according to the Office of Educational Technologies, is by giving feedback to teachers throughout the class so that they can analyze and know what they can improve on during their lessons. Another way it helps teachers is by simulating students' responses to certain assignments or projects. The second way that AI is often used is to help assist students. Oftentimes, usually, they are outside of school and don't have access to their teachers readily available for questions or feedback. AI helps assist with this by giving them answers to any questions they may need and also giving feedback to stuff like theses that they're writing or maybe a paragraph to point out where they can improve. So now that we've talked about the main uses for AI, we need to discuss the pros. The first one is how widely accessible it is. Nearly everyone, whether you be homeschooled, public school, or private school, has some form of access to AI and its assistance. It also is very accessible to people with different conditions, whether it be mental disabilities or physical disabilities. There are many AIs that accommodate for these factors and can help assist those students as well. Another big pro is the personalized learning. According to Schuyler University, AI is very good at taking samples that students give it and analyzing the data, allowing it to construct a personalized course which it can give back to the student so that they can learn at their own pacing, so that every student can learn their education at their perfect pacing, allowing them to get the most out of everything. Now, we've talked a little bit about the pros, however, we have to discuss the cons of education because there are multiple. The first and main con that most people would think of, that you are probably thinking of, is cheating. There are two main ways that people cheat using AI. Firstly is when it comes to writing a thesis or just an essay or even a speech like this one, people can just simply put it into a source like ChatGPT and have it write everything for them. In fact, I went to ChatGPT and asked it to write this exact speech, and it gave me like a 14 different point one. Of course, I didn't use this speech, I only took a picture of the start, but it had over 14 different points and gave an exact speech for it. The second way that it is used for cheating is with tests and other assignments that are given where kids don't know the answers. They can simply put it into AI assistants and it will give them the exact answer that they are looking for. Another con is it hurts students with their ability just to learn in general. According to Stanford University, AI more often than not gives out incorrect answers to more complex questions because there's just a lot of misinformation on the web in general. This in turn results in students learning incorrect information, which could very badly affect them in the future. Another thing that it does that badly affects students is creating bad habits and a reliance on AI. If people constantly use AI for every assignment and project that they have, they're going to develop a reliance on it. And then once they are no longer able to access that AI, maybe it be in the workforce, they're still going to be held to the same standards as they were when they were able to use AI. This in turn makes it so that they can't push out the same product in quality that they were able to with AI, and they no longer have it. Today, I have told you about AI and its influence on education, as well as the pros and cons. Next time that you use AI, whether it be for a work project or assignment or anything, think about how much it actually affects you and your education. Thank you.